Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to make this necklace, which I call Pearly Night. I designed it for a friend who has a very cool girl style. While creating it, I imagined her wearing it with a black leather jacket, so I wanted the necklace to feel both elegant and fresh. To make this easier, I have put together a materials guide in the description with all the beads, findings, tools and color numbers, so it's easy for you to find what you need. Now, let's start creating.